Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shiv Shakti. Have you ever felt that you don't truly belong here? Like your soul came from somewhere else? Somewhere peaceful, full of light and love. That feeling is not your imagination, it's the truth. You came from the source, from a place beyond pain, beyond fear, where only love exists. In the beginning, your soul was part of the divine. There was no separation, no worry, no darkness. Only light, only love, only peace. But then, the soul wanted to grow, to learn, to feel, to understand love in all its forms. So, the soul chose to take a journey, not to run away from the source, but to experience life and to return wiser, stronger, and full of understanding. This journey began with the step into the world. The soul came to earth, took birth in a human body, and slowly forgot where it came from. It forgot that it was pure light. Here on earth, the soul feels joy and pain. It feels love and heartbreak. It laughs and it cries. It learns through every moment, every person, each emotion. Earth is like a big school. Every soul is here to grow. But in this journey, many souls start to feel lost. They feel alone. They wonder why I am here. What is my purpose? And then something happens. A small moment, a silent thought, a deep feeling inside the heart. The soul starts to wake up. It begins to remember I am not just this body. I am not just this name. I am a soul. I am a light. I came from love. And then the real journey begins. A journey back to the source, back to peace, back to truth. The soul starts to let go of fear. It heals old wounds. It forgives. It becomes lighter, happier, and more free. It starts to see beauty in simple things. It feels connected to everyone and everything. The soul knows we are all one. As this happens, the soul rises higher. It doesn't have to go anywhere. It just becomes who it truly is again. And when the soul is ready, it doesn't go far. It simply merges back into the divine, into the same love it came from. This is not the end. This is the return. This is coming home. You can feel this too right now. Close your eyes and say gently in your heart, I am light. I am love. I am soul. I am one with the divine. Let these words go deep into your heart. Let them remind you of who you truly are. Dear soul, you were never lost. You're always on a journey of remembering yourself, a journey of love. So, walk gently, love deeply, shine your light, and if this message touches your heart, share it with someone, help another soul remember too. Together, we can bring more love and light into this world. Namaste.